Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra was a total letdown. Those rounded corners killed its signature look, no big camera upgrades, and the S Pen losing Bluetooth was a disaster. But now the Galaxy S26 Ultra is aiming to fix all of that, and then some. In this video, we're breaking down 5 insane upgrades confirmed through leaks, plus the price and release date. So stick around because you won't want to miss what Samsung is cooking up. Display. Let's kick things off with the display. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to ship with a brand new COE display panel capable of over 3,000 nits of brightness. That's absolutely wild. Even better, it's way more power efficient, which could mean all-day battery life without worrying about dimming the screen in sunlight. But hold on. Will there finally be an under-display selfie camera? Sadly, no. Leaks suggest it's still a punch hole. The quality of under-display cameras is still bad. But the bezels? Samsung is shrinking them even more, giving you almost a true full-screen feel. Keep watching because the next upgrade will change how you use your phone every single day. Processor. Now let's talk power. The S26 Ultra is going to feature the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 with 41% better CPU performance compared to the previous generation. That means faster gaming, smoother multitasking, and better heat control. And if you think that's impressive, Samsung is keeping the 3nm architecture for insane efficiency. But wait, is there a catch? Rumors say Samsung might throttle performance to keep temperatures down. So let's see if they can deliver full power without compromise. Don't go anywhere because the next section is about a battery change we've waited years for. Battery. Alright, this one is big. Samsung is finally moving to silicon carbon batteries. In simple words, you get a bigger battery capacity in the same size. Early leaks hint at 5,500 or even 6,000 mAh, which is a huge step from the old 5,000. And charging? Finally jumping to 65-watt fast charging. Imagine going from 0 to 100 in under 45 minutes. Crazy, right? But is that enough to beat the Chinese flagships? Well, that depends on what happens with the camera, and that's up next. Camera. Okay, camera fans, listen up. Samsung is rumored to combine 2 telephoto lenses into one monster 200-megapixel 4x optical zoom sensor. No more separate 3x and 5x. Instead, a super versatile shooter with incredible low light and detail performance. And the main camera will bring back variable aperture, which gives you pro-level bokeh and sharper shots in every lighting. But will they bring back Bluetooth in the S Pen? That's still a mystery, and I'll explain why next. S Pen's wrap up. So let's talk about that S Pen. After huge backlash, fans want the Bluetooth gestures back, but Samsung might skip it again to save money. Right now, leaks say it's unlikely to return, but if enough fans complain, maybe Samsung will change their mind. Drop a comment below if you think they must bring Bluetooth back. Let's pressure Samsung together. Finally, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2026, with prices starting around $112.99. But before that, Samsung will likely unveil the S25 Edge, their thinnest phone ever, which might steal the spotlight. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest leaks and news.